So Ding Dong have found himself in a world of trouble with a line that he used in his newly released song Flairy. A lot of people are saying that he dissed Busy Signal in that song with the one line that he used, and Busy should answer him. So we're gonna listen to the one line that he dropped in the song, and I'm gonna come back with the rest of my commentary and what I have to say about the song and what are my thoughts and opinions of the song.
How about you think, man? Leave me. How about you think, man? Leave me. Me not busy signal local gear.
So that's the line that they said that Ding Dong used to diss Busy Signal. Ding Dong is a dancer slash artist. He turned a artist back in 2005, and you can remember him from the famous dance in them Gully Creep, Wacky Dip and all that. He was one of the greatest dancers in dancehall after Mr. Wacky, and he turned into an artist. I don't know if this is a publicity stunt or he's trying to solidify himself in dancehall, but I don't think this is a good move for him personally, even though I don't feel like that one liner was a big diss to Busy Signal or even a threat to Busy Signal. But I don't feel like this was a good look for him. I don't know if this is a publicity stunt or Ramesh put him up to it, because Ramesh manages Ding Dong now and say it would be a good come up for him. I don't know what it is, but I don't know Ding Dong as an artist that would want publicity stunt or would try to start a feud to help their career. So this is very out of character for me personally. And for me personally, Ding Dong used to be somebody I look up to, because I used to feel like dancing was what was going to take me out of Jamaica. So personally, this doesn't sit well with me. Ding Dong, who is a born and raised St. Andrew native, that have some of my favorite songs, some of my favorite party songs, some of my favorite dancing songs like Bad Man Forward, Bad Man Pull Up, Holiday, Allow Me Know, We Are the Dance, Skip to Malou, just to name a few. To see him go through this process that I see a lot of dancehall artists are taking, or this road that a lot of dancehall artists are taking, is very disheartening, because Ding Dong is one of those artists that are feel good artists that can make your day go by. You can play in your house with your pitney and don't have to worry about censorship or bad word cussing or any of that. So I respect him on that level as far as a dancehall artist is concerned. Ding Dong are one of them artists that where if you want to bathe and you have no soap, you can use the shampoo. Or if you're a boxer and you hand them register, you can just fling your shoulder. Or if you just want to take away yourself from some bad energy or some bad vibes or some foolishness, you can just jump on the yang yang and take away yourself. So he's very versatile artist, and this is not a good look for him personally, in my expert opinion. So Busy Signal is in a whole league by himself in dancehall music. He's one of those very versatile artists that can go very raw cha and then switch it back to reggae, feel good music. Him can do the clashing, him full of lyrics. He's just an all-around good dancehall artist. And even though his stuff don't get hyped up like a lot of dancehall artists, he is a really, really good artist, and he has been in the game for a very long time. So you have to give him respect for that. You can't just call up your name in a one song and don't expect people to feel some type of way about it, or to be offended about it, or even for him to be offended. He's solidified his spot in dancehall music, and he's also put in the work. So to see a new artist or a dancer turned artist to put a line like that in his song can be very hard to swallow, as far as him being a veteran in the dancehall music. Busy have Peer Bad song, him have song when him Jail Wine Pon the Edge, which was one of my personal favorites. And TikTok is another one of my favorite. And also Busy served a 6-month sentence in the US jail for drug charges. So the man have overcome a lot, and I don't think stepping into a feud with an artist like Ding Dong can do anything for his career or plummet his career or any of that. I feel like he should leave it alone and left it way there. It's not like Ding Dong is the first person to actually use that line in a song. I've heard people use that one line in songs before, and I don't think it's a big diss either. If he said something more raunchy or something more outlandish or something worse, then I could warrant a answer or even a subliminally answer from Busy, but I don't think Busy should answer him. It's not worth his time nor his energy, and it won't benefit his career. He's in a whole different league than Ding Dong. What I want y'all to do now is come in the comment section and tell me if you think that Busy should actually answer him, or he should answer him subliminally, or he should just keep it pushing. These artists are not predictable and you can't tell what they're gonna do next. But with that said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.